Africa is home to some of the most fertile lands on Earth, yet for decades, millions of farmers struggled with outdated tools and unpredictable climates. Today, a wave of innovation is transforming how food is grown, distributed, and consumed across the continent. From digital tractors in Nigeria to climate-smart seeds in East Africa, technology is turning agriculture into a powerful engine for change. This is Africa's agriculture and food innovation revolution. This is how Africa is blowing up. Meet Hello Tractor, often called the Uber for tractors. In Nigeria, smallholder farmers face a common challenge: lack of access to modern machinery. Hello Tractor solves this by connecting tractor owners with farmers via mobile phones. Farmers simply book tractor services through SMS or an app, unlocking affordable, timely access to machinery that boosts their productivity. Since launching, Hello Tractor has helped thousands of farmers increase their yields, save time, and grow their businesses. It's a perfect example of how innovation can start right on the farm. In Kenya and Ghana, farmers are harnessing the power of AI and mobile technology. Apps now help detect crop diseases early by analyzing photos taken with smartphones. Other platforms deliver weather forecasts and market prices straight to farmers via SMS, enabling smarter decisions. This technology reduces crop losses and improves incomes, helping small farmers stay resilient in a changing climate. Innovation here is about simple tools with big impacts. Across Rwanda and Kenya, drones are flying over farms like never before. These flying machines monitor crop health, map farmland, and even spray pesticides with precision. By capturing real-time data, drones help farmers save water, reduce chemical use, and respond faster to pests and diseases. This high-tech approach is turning traditional farming into precision agriculture. African scientists are creating seeds that can survive drought, heat, and pests. In research centers across East Africa, new varieties of maize, cassava, and sorghum are helping farmers grow food, even under harsh conditions. These climate-smart seeds are vital tools in Africa's fight against food insecurity and climate change. Africa's cities are booming, and so is urban farming. In Nairobi, Lagos, and Accra, vertical farms, hydroponics, and rooftop gardens are growing fresh produce close to where people live. Young entrepreneurs and women-led startups are driving this movement, turning farming into a modern, sustainable business. Urban farming is helping cities feed themselves and create jobs. Agriculture remains the backbone of Africa's economy, employing millions. With these innovations, farming is no longer just survival. It's an opportunity for growth, trade, and industry. From food processing to export markets, agriculture is powering Africa's future. Africa's future will be built from the ground up. With technology, creativity, and resilience, the continent is feeding itself and the world. Africa is not just farming. Africa is feeding the future.